Hello and welcome, I'm Josh with US Cutter, and today we're going to show you some of the latest metal heat transfer vinyl colors from Siser. We often get phone calls from customers looking for heat transfer vinyl that can give them mirrored shine or finish, and of course Siser's got you covered. Today we're introducing 3 more colors to the Siser metal line. We now have red, blue, and silver blue to add to the existing lineup to give you a total of 8 colors now. You will also notice that they reflect everything very well, and I have given up on trying to get my reflection or the reflection of the lights out of every single shot because I would never get this video done. This stuff mirrors extremely well, as you're going to see throughout this video. Just like every other Siser heat transfer vinyl on the market, you want to load it into your cutter with the matte side facing up for your blade to cut into. The glossy, shiny side is protected by a clear plastic backer, just like all the other types of heat transfer vinyl, so you don't have to worry about it getting scratched up too much. You want to mirror your design before cutting, and you can cut this material with a 45-degree blade or a 60-degree blade with ease. As always, I recommend performing a test cut and adjusting your blade depth and cutting pressure before cutting. As for what speed should you use, I always recommend starting at a slower speed to make sure you get the best cut possible, especially if you're cutting something with higher detail. How does this material weed? It's from Siser, so it's very easy to weed. You are going to want to take your time when weeding with the tool, because if you scratch, tear, or stretch the vinyl while weeding, it is not as forgiving as other heat transfer vinyl, so you're going to see those marks even after it's been pressed. It weeds great. I had an easy time weeding it with the Siser weeding pick.
Just like me.
This stuff isn't meant to be layered on something that's going to be washed. So if you're going to put it on a multicolor design, make sure you knock out everything else behind this metal heat transfer vinyl and then press it directly onto the substrate. Now, if you are going to do something that isn't going to be laundered, maybe it's something weird like a football, you can layer on top of other vinyls, but again, only if you're not going to wash it. Otherwise, it's going to come off in the wash. Be sure to check out the layering heat transfer vinyl video to see me apply Siser heat transfer vinyl to all types of weird stuff. The Siser metal can be applied with a home iron or a heat press, as you can see right here. For this example, I'm going to be using my trusty 15-inch by 15-inch swing arm heat press from US Cutter, but the clamshell from US Cutter works just as well too. We sell heat presses here at US Cutter, so that's what I'm going to use in these examples. The Siser metal has been approved for use on 100% cotton, 100% polyester, and polycotton blends. You want to have your heat press turned up to 305 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to press the design down for 10 to 15 seconds. You're going to want to make sure that you have a non-stick sheet or some type of parchment paper in between the transfer and the heat plate. Before you peel the transfer, you want it to cool all the way down, or it's going to come right up when you try to peel the backer off if it's hot. I also like to do a finishing press for an additional 10 seconds with my non-stick sheet or parchment paper afterwards. Yeah, check out these sweet gym shirts I made. This beautiful vinyl stands out so well that I can guarantee you that only crazy cat people are going to come and talk to me. I don't know how to surf, but I can be a poser all day long with this shirt. I split it between the red and blue, and then I did a solid over here just in case I messed up, but I did okay. We offer all Siser products in multiple sizes, from rolls all the way down to custom cuts if you want to do it by the foot or by the yard. I put some links to the product pages down in the YouTube video description below, and be sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this video or found it useful. Every item, even vinyl, comes with free lifetime customer support, and you can reach our support team at support@uscutter.com if you're having any issues. If you have any sales or general questions, you can reach our sales team at sales@uscutter.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and have yourself a wonderful day.